EOS has been given the name the Ethereum Killer, and to put this into comparison, if Ethereum gives you the blocks that you need to build a decentralized application, then EOS gives you the Legos that you need, making it that much easier for developers to build. But in order to make something great on EOS, you really need to have some skin in the game. But before we start, Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and other blockchain tokens, so be sure to hit the link in the description below and start trading today. Also, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more content. Now let's get into it. EOS is a blockchain that supports dApps, or decentralized applications, that can be used and built on by thousands of people at the same time. Now, EOS was founded by Dan Larimer, who is also the founder of Delegated Proof of Stake, which EOS is run on. This delegated proof of stake chooses a staker based on an algorithm that determines things like how much the node has staked or how long it has been staked for. And with this model, they claim to be able to approve millions of transactions per second, and that is so much better than what we currently have. As you see, Visa does about 1,667 transactions per second, and Bitcoin does around 7 transactions per second. And as for the coins, they are actually inflationary with about a 5% yearly inflation rate. And with this, 1% of that is used to reward the block producers, and the other 4% is put into a worker proposal fund, which can be invested in developers that want to build on the network. One major difference of EOS compared to things like Ethereum is that EOS is actually run on an ownership model, and this is similar to like an operating system such as Microsoft or iOS. And because this is an ownership model, this does actually create quite a bit of a barrier to entry. So basically, the amount of coins that you have determines the amount of access that you have to the network's capabilities. So this may be quite difficult for hobbyists to use, because if you don't have some skin in the game and have a lot of coins, then you won't necessarily have all the access to everything that the network offers. And on the other hand, this means that people who have a lot of coins and are heavily invested are able to use the network much more efficiently and be able to produce a lot more smooth transactions. So far, there are over 300 dApps that have been built on EOS, and that number is growing pretty quickly. For a while, EOS was nicknamed the Ethereum Killer for its scalability and its very fast transaction speeds. However, Ethereum 2.0 is just around the corner, and it will be sure to level out the playing field in a lot of different ways. And not to mention, there are many other blockchains that support smart contracts and dApps that are coming out every week, so the competition is only getting tougher for these blockchains. At the time of this recording, EOS is priced just over $5 with a total market cap of $4.8 billion, making EOS the 32nd largest coin in the crypto space. Now, there are many other blockchains that build dApps that are even larger than EOS, so it'll be interesting to see if EOS has what it takes to chip away at some of those other cryptocurrencies and continue to grow. Overall, the team at EOS is very strong, and it is really interesting to see these new blockchains implement so many new strategies. And like all blockchains, EOS has some areas where they lack. However, as more blockchains continue to come out and implement new strategies and the whole space becomes more diversified, ultimately this is just going to make the cryptocurrencies even more strong, and the blockchains that come out even better for people to use every day. And now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And to keep up even more with the crypto space, you can check out our blog at blog.alpha.cash. See you next time.